Hi, my name is Takumu S from Physics Honors Period B. I'll be presenting our projectile motion today. Alright, let's get started. So, what is projectile motion? This is a brief summary for it. Projectile motion is a form of motion experienced by an object or particle that is projected near the Earth's surface and moves along a curved path under the action of gravity only. This curved path was shown by Galileo to be a parabola, but may also be a line in the special case when it is thrown directly upwards. These are the fundamental formulas for this topic. D, distance, V, velocity, Vf, final velocity, Vi, initial velocity, A, acceleration, T is time. But mostly the formulas are always converted for each problems differently for it to suit like the situation. So yeah. Example 1. So this is a cannon shooting the cannonball down here. We got the time here, 5 seconds, note it down. We don't have the vertical velocity, which is Vy, and we don't have the height. So we'll find the height first. So height equals to 1/2 times g, gravity, and time powered by 2. So it equals to 1.5 times 10 meter per second squared. The gravity times 5 seconds squared. So it results as 125 meter. I didn't mention the measurement units here, but let's just say meter. So here's the Vy. Vy equals to gt. So 10 meter per second squared times 5 seconds equals to 50 meter per second. So we now have the vertical velocity. Alright, next. For the horizontal, since our velocity is constant, so x equals to velocity times time, 10 meter per second times 5 seconds, 50 meter. Yeah. Example 2. There goes the question. Let's see. A random guy shoots a rocket and projectile motion occurs with an angle of 53 degrees to horizontal. Its initial velocity is 10 meter per second. Find the maximum height it can reach. Horizontal displacement and total time required for this motion. Alright, so first of all we draw the picture here. 53 degrees. And we gotta find the Vx and Vy. So we're using trigonometry here. So Vx equals to V times cos 53 degrees, which is equals to the velocity here, 10 meter per second, 10 times cos 53, estimated to 6 meter per second, and Vy is V sine 53 degrees, which is 10 times sine 53 degrees, results as 8 meter per second. Alright. So for the vertical, we're using this formula, V equals to V initial minus gravity times time. So V or V final, I would say, it's 0. So we put 0 here. V initial is 8. Then minus gravity 10 times t, then results as the time is 0.8 seconds. So it's only the half part, so the total time is 1.6 seconds. And h here we go next, which is finding the height. H equals to 1.5 times gt squared. So 1.5 times 10 times 0.8 squared equals to 3.2 meter. Okay. Alright. So for the horizontal, x equals to velocity times time. X equals to 6 times 1.6 equals to 9.6 meter, which is like the distance of like which the rocket travels horizontally. Okay, alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, even though my explanation is like kinda horrible.